Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we're diving into a groundbreaking approach to building AI models that's redefining the future of large language systems. Imagine if we could grow AI like living organisms, adding layers, combining components, and letting them evolve naturally. That's exactly what this research is achieving. Let's start with the problem. Most big AI models today are built using a monolithic approach. Think of it like constructing a skyscraper by pouring concrete for the entire structure at once. It's powerful, but it's also resource-intensive, inflexible, and difficult to tweak. Once trained, improving these models or adding new skills feels like trying to renovate a house without tearing it down, tricky and risky. But what if we could build AI in a smarter, more modular way? That's where this research shines. A team from MIPT discovered a revolutionary method. Instead of training every part of a model from scratch, they use a fixed, unchanging foundation for input. This is called a frozen embedding layer, a map that translates words or characters into numerical vectors. Here's the key twist. This map isn't learned from data. Instead, it's based on the visual structure of Unicode glyphs, the actual shapes of letters and symbols on a screen. Why does this matter? Because a fixed input representation acts like a universal docking port. Think of it as a standard socket that lets you plug in different tools. This enables two game-changing techniques. First, seamless modular composition. Imagine you have two AI models, one trained on Russian text and another on Chinese. Normally, merging them would be like trying to mix oil and water. But with the same frozen embedding map, you can simply average their outputs. It's like combining two recipes by blending their ingredients. The result? A more powerful model that outperforms either alone, without catastrophic forgetting, a major issue in AI where old knowledge is erased when learning new tasks. Second, progressive layer-wise growth. Instead of building a huge model all at once, they grow it layer by layer. Start with one transformer block, the core of the model, train it, freeze it, then add another layer on top and repeat. It's like building a tower block by block, letting each new layer learn from the ones below. And here's the kicker. As they added more layers, the model's ability to reason and answer complex questions, like add benchmarks, skyrocketed. Deep models didn't just perform better, they unlocked entirely new capabilities. The results? When they merged language-specific models, the combined system outperformed its parts without forgetting what it learned. And when they grew models from 1 to 6 layers, reasoning skills like math and logic jumped dramatically. It's like watching a child develop from basic skills to complex problem-solving, one layer at a time. So why does this matter? This approach isn't just efficient, it's a paradigm shift. By treating AI development like a construction project, where modules are built and combined incrementally, we open the door to more sustainable, adaptable systems. It's a step toward AI that's easier to update, less resource-hungry, and more democratic, because you don't need a supercomputer to experiment. The team even released all their code and models, so others can build on this. It's a glimpse into a future where AI isn't just big, but smart about how it grows. Thanks for watching. If you're as excited about this as I am, hit subscribe for more deep dives into the science behind AI. And let me know in the comments, what do you think about growing AI like a plant? Until next time, stay curious.